New cha-cha piece for you. Squeeze your side, connect to your partner. Yes. We just here, before we start, keep your heels on the ground. We're just gonna feel each other, feel connection, feel our body action. Squeezing, projecting, connecting. Very good. Tick, tick, tick. From here, I close your legs and then send you into back basic. You're gonna step back 2. Very good. Just like here. Instead of going here, you're gonna pivot and you will go diagonally back, squeezing chest forward, right? Try that. Give me a little bit connection. Cheek, 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 cheek. And, yes, and back. And now from here, make sure you press down, squeezing your side, projecting your chest forward towards that foot still pointed, and push your arm slightly forward to achieve strong connection. So it should look like this. You work in your body, going and walk. Yes, still there. Yes?
Yes.
Let's try that. Chuk, chuk, a little bit, give me connection. Chuk, 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 chuk. And 2. Beautiful. Then from here, you're doing replace 3 with the high hip. Beautiful foot. Beautiful foot. Now from here, you're going to go twisting run. Like a crab walk. Side. Yes, let me show you. Side, front, side, twist. Running cha-cha steps. So from here, stay here. Running cha-cha. Cha, 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 finishing with the hip twist. But one more detail. Try to remember to connect, to squeeze. You see, I'm squeezing, connecting, and only after I'm squeezing, connecting, then I'm doing hip twist. So this hip twist communicate something to your partner, rather than you just, twisting and then trying to find connection here. Okay, so always we have a squeezing, chest projecting, arm slightly push forward, womb. And here feeling like you're pushing away, like you're sending your hip as far as possible from your arm, not trying to push your arm forward. You push away, there. Yes, let's do that from crab walk. And close, and cha, 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 and. That was much better. Let's connect 2 sections here. Good. Now, your back arm here on my back, you're gonna a little bit, push against me, not slightly, not to hurt someone. I'm a very gentle person. Yeah, and I will give you a little bit back. Why? Because now you will have a sense of your right and left side. You see, now you can move your body inside. Yes, and also when you practice by yourself, put your arm. Just small exercise for you. Keep your arm like this. Like pretend like you're holding 2 plates of food, and then idea that you learn how to move your body without using your arms. Even though arm style is important, but we need to learn how to use your sides, your hips, your thighs, your chest without using arms in any form. So like you have 2 plates of food and you dancing with them. So do basic. 2 and go back 3 and cha, 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 and 2 and 3. So this is very good way to learn how to use your body. Now, so similar we do when we're in connection. Yeah, that's why you're gonna a little bit press here and a little bit here, right? So you feel it feels very solid. Now, do not be afraid. I will be a little bit here. I don't have to always stay in front of you. Okay. Yes, so I'm always trying to push you on my right side. So now we have more 3-dimensional look together. Close these fingers if you can. Now feel your body, heels down, just to feel each other. So this is just a preparation. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. A little bit were disconnected and dropping this elbow. You see where you did this? You went here and then you were dropping rather than to stay connected to your partner. One more time. And chick, 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 woo. Go back 2, 3. Stay connected. Cha, cha, cha. Beautiful. Now step forward. Walk. Stay connected. Here. Squeeze. Chest forward. Press arm forward. Go walk. Cha, cha, cha. Squeeze and and go walk, twist. Now again, similar improvements, points. So when you did cha-cha, you walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, you did walk. Here, when you do hip twist, your version, you kind of like, collapsing. What should you do? You see, you're on the high hip squeezing. Now you try to squeeze your right side. Same time, increase pressure here. Push your rib cage forward. This will create much better hip twist for you. Okay, let's do from beginning. Combine sections together. Gua chuk chuk ya cha cha cha, and 2 and 3, cha cha cha. Walk and walk, walk and. Still one more detail. Still, I see when after you sit here, you stand up forward, connect to your partner, going and 2, back basic, squeeze, push here, forward, 3, side and front, and walk, walk, cha cha cha, walk, squeeze, twist, run, run, back, connect, walk, walk, cha cha cha, walk, walk, cha cha cha. Now from here you have a batucada, 3 batucada, chaka 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 chaka, step, step spiral, and cha cha cha, forward walk, 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 keep walking, traveling, walk, 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 close, switch, close, switch, arm up, side point, side point, side point, right, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, turn, 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 close, hip, 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 warm till here. Excellent.